Top: never throw out old potting soil again, refresh and reuse it to save tons of money. It's that dreaded moment every gardener faces. You've just finished repotting a plant, and now you're left with a pile of used soil, barely touched by time but no longer fit for another round of gardening. The temptation to dump it into the trash is real, but here's the thing: old potting soil doesn't have to be disposable. In fact, with a little love and care, it can be rejuvenated to serve you time and time again, saving you money and keeping your plants thriving. Before you throw out your old potting mix, consider this: soil is more resilient than you think. It doesn't just lose its life after one plant has lived in it. Instead, it just needs a bit of refreshing. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to revive and reuse your old potting soil, so it's as good as new and ready for your next plant project. Assess the soil's health first. Is it just tired or truly used up? Before diving into any rejuvenation process, you need to assess the soil's condition. The leftover roots need to be removed, or they'll start rotting and cause potential mold problems. Step 1. Remove old roots and plant debris thoroughly. After pulling out the plant, sift through the soil and remove as much of the old root material as possible. This may seem like a small task, but getting rid of old organic matter will prevent your soil from becoming too dense and will stop fungal growth, which is crucial for creating a healthy environment for new plants. Step 2. Restore nutrients with organic matter. Title: Step 2. Restore nutrients with organic matter. Add about 1/3 of compost to the volume of your old potting soil. Mix it in well. Step 3. Loosen compacted soil and improve drainage. This is where most gardeners go wrong when reusing soil. Old potting soil tends to compact over time, especially when it has been watered repeatedly. Title: Step 3. Loosen compacted soil and improve drainage. Coarse sand. If perlite or vermiculite is hard to find, coarse sand is a great substitute. Just be sure it's not fine sand, which can make the soil even more compacted. Step 4. Optional sterilization to kill pests and disease. This step isn't always necessary, but if you've been dealing with pests like root rot or fungus gnats, sterilizing the soil can help prevent these issues from reappearing. Step 5. Remoisturize the soil. Don't let it dry out. Once your soil has been replenished, rehydrating it properly is essential. Old soil often dries out, making it difficult for plants to establish themselves in it. Step 6. Repot your plants and get growing again. Now that your soil is rejuvenated and ready, it's time to use it. Whether you're repotting a new plant or replanting your old ones, take a moment to assess the specific needs of each plant. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share it with your fellow garden enthusiasts. Keep your garden thriving and your wallet happy.